Hello friends, today I am going to share how to make a glowing face serum at home for summer. This DIY serum will make your skin radiant and keep it looking beautiful all year round. Here's what you'll need to make your serum. 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of rosewater, 2 tablespoons of fermented rice water, 1 vitamin E capsule, and 1 tablespoon of almond oil. How to prepare, store, and use your serum. In a clean bowl, add all your ingredients: aloe vera gel, rose water, fermented rice water, vitamin E capsule, and almond oil. Then whisk them together until everything is well blended. Pour your mixture in a dropper bottle and store in the fridge for 14 days. To use your serum, simply apply it twice a day after you have cleansed your face and before applying your moisturizer. Always wear sunscreen during the day to give your skin the protection it needs. This serum is going to leave your skin moisturized and hydrated in summer because it contains aloe vera gel, which is great at moisturizing the skin, especially in summer. That way you don't have to use heavy moisturizers. Rose water is going to heal your skin and reduce acne, blackheads, and signs of premature aging because it's very hydrating. Fermented rice water will add protection to your skin in summer days, prevent dehydration due to the hot weather, heal sunburn, while add shine to your skin and making it more radiant. Because the sun is extra during summers, vitamin E is going to protect your skin against the UVB damage from reaching your skin. Almond oil is going to help your skin heal after it has been exposed to sun, and it's also great at creating a natural protective barrier on your skin. It's okay to skip moisturizer if you have oily skin during summer and only use this serum, then follow up with your sunscreen. I hope you will make this DIY serum, that way you keep your skin hydrated and looking fresh this summer and all year round. Would you like a full summer skincare routine for a glowing skin? Drop your comment in the comment section if you will be interested in the video. Subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos that I will be uploading twice daily, and turn notifications on so you're not left out once the videos go live. I appreciate you becoming part of the Glow Up Squad, and thank you so very much for watching my video.